Today, we're diving deep into something that's turning heads in every direction. The 2026 Karmann Ghia. Yes, you heard that right. The legendary nameplate is back, and it's no longer just a nostalgic nod to the past. The all-new Ghia is an audacious blend of vintage soul and futuristic engineering, and we're here to break it all down for you, front to back, inside and out, and under the hood. Let's start up front, because that's where the magic begins. The 2026 Karmann Ghia doesn't try to hide its heritage. Its face is instantly recognizable, inspired by the original model's curvaceous simplicity, but with a modern, assertive edge. Slimline LED headlamps are tucked beneath a subtly domed hood, with an illuminated badge that hints at the car's electric underpinnings. The grille? More of a design flourish than a necessity, since there's no combustion engine to feed air into, but it's tastefully done. Air curtains and active shutters integrated into the bumper for aerodynamic efficiency, not just aesthetics. And it works. The drag coefficient is just 0.23, helping this beauty slice through the air effortlessly. Moving. Along the sides, the Ghia rides low and lean. The designers have gone for a flowing coupe silhouette that speaks the language of speed, but with the finesse of a true grand tourer. Flush door handles, soft shoulder lines, and turbine-inspired and 20-inch alloy wheels give it presence without screaming for attention. And let's not skip over the paintwork. The launch color, a metallic glacier blue with hints of silver, looks absolutely stunning under both sun and street light. It's that kind of finish that makes you turn back after parking. Now step inside, and this is where things really get interesting. The cabin is where retro meets tomorrow. You're greeted by a sweeping dashboard wrapped in vegan leather and brushed aluminum, echoing the minimalist vibe of the original Ghia, but with modern tech embedded throughout. A 14-inch floating OLED display serves as the infotainment hub, with an AI-powered assistant that responds to voice commands naturally. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, real-time traffic visualization, and over-the-air updates, everything's baked in. And there's a separate 10-inch driver cluster, fully customizable, with gauges that subtly mimic analog dials for a bit of nostalgia. The steering wheel is flat-bottomed, ergonomically sculpted, and lined with soft Alcantara. Controls are intuitive, touch-sensitive, but haptic, so you don't accidentally trigger features. The front seats? Heated, ventilated, and even offer a massage function. They're bolstered just enough to give sporty support without being stiff. Rear seating is technically there, and while it's not limo-like, two average adults can actually sit back there for short to medium trips. It's a 2+2 that respects the +2 part more than most. Around back, the design language remains faithful to the car's graceful flow. The rear deck curves smoothly down to an integrated ducktail spoiler that rises automatically at speed. A continuous LED light strip connects the tail lights, with a distinct animated startup sequence that feels premium. Below, there's no exhaust, of course, but a stylish diffuser with hidden aero vents that channel airflow smartly. The rear trunk opens to reveal a modest cargo space, good enough for a couple of weekend bags, while the frunk up front adds extra practicality for daily use. Now, under the skin is where the new Ghia truly separates itself. It's fully electric. No hybrid, no compromises. Two variants are available at launch. The Ghia RWD with a single rear motor producing 340 horsepower, and the Ghia AWD with dual motors pushing out a combined 480 horses. The all-wheel drive version hits 60 in just 3.9 seconds, which is wild when you remember this isn't trying to be a track monster. It's a stylish cruiser with bite. The instant torque, combined with a near 50-50 weight distribution and adaptive suspension, gives it a balanced, fluid drive. It glides over broken pavement and tightens up in corners with poise. Driving modes range from Eco to Sport Plus, each adjusting throttle mapping, steering feel, and damping response. Battery-wise, we're looking at an 89 kWh pack delivering around 320 miles of range on the RWD, and slightly less, about 290, on the AWD due to the extra performance load. DC fast charging up to $200 kWh means 10 to 80% in just over 20 minutes. Regenerative braking is adjustable via paddle shifters, from light coasting to near one-pedal driving. And don't worry, thermal management is on point, so range drop-off during spirited driving is minimized. In terms of safety and tech, the 2026 Ghia comes loaded. Adaptive cruise, lane centering, 360-degree cameras, and even an AI driver coaching system that analyzes your habits and recommends adjustments. For efficiency and comfort, it's not fully autonomous yet, but Level 2+ capabilities make commuting less of a chore. So what's the damage? Pricing starts at $50,900 for the base RWD and jumps to $61,700 for the AWD performance trim. With optional features and exclusive launch packages, it's easy to hit the mid-70s. But even then, you're getting a head-turning electric coupe with genuine heritage and cutting-edge tech. Compared to competitors, it carves a niche few others even aim for. That's it for today's deep dive on the 2026 Karmann Ghia. It's not just a name resurrected, it's a legacy reborn with purpose. Let me know what you think in the comments. Would you daily one of these? Or is this more weekend indulgence? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell so you never miss a storm. This is Gear Storm. Drive fast, drive smart, and stay charged.